Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of LJ Law Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today I want to talk to you about a topic that might sound crazy when you first hear it, but it is about the benefits that a divorce can have on children. I have been practicing family law for a long time and I see the emotional turmoil that occurs with divorces, with custody battles, with guardianship issues. So I understand firsthand how emotionally challenging, how people get very angry, how fighting occurs, how bickering results. I understand the whole turmoil of people going through a divorce and their emotional stability or their emotional situation at the time of a divorce. But in looking at all that, I have also, because I've been around so long with divorce cases, have come to realize that there are benefits to children from parents who go through a divorce and ultimately divorce. For example, first and foremost, what I do see is that a lot of times in contentious marriages, there exists a element of abuse and domestic violence in that relationship. So one of the benefits for children of divorced parents with this situation is that the children are being removed from that abuse. They no longer have to deal with that situation. They no longer have to be party to it or possibly victims of it themselves. So that is one positive thing. Another one is that the living situation now will be more relaxed for the children as the parents are no longer living together. The animosity, the anger, the fighting, the screaming, the yelling, all that will be removed, and the children will now be living with one and the other parent separately, and the situation and the living environment might be more relaxed and so less stressful for the children. Another positive is self-sufficiency. I see children of divorced parents who have to rely on themselves more, who are going to after-school activities because both parents are still working, and they become more independent and self-reliant due to the fact that they have to be, because both parents are now working and they're living with one or the other, and so they have to rely on themselves and become more independent sooner. Another thing that I see is that siblings become closer because they understand what is happening in their family dynamics, and no one else understands it like they do. So the siblings become closer. They share more, they communicate more, and it becomes a more positive environment and a relationship for the siblings. And one last thing that I see is that the children of divorced parents learn how to manage their time and become more organized quicker because they're going back and forth between households. They have to remember to bring their belongings, bring their homework, bring their clothing, return back to the other parent's home with other things. And so they become better at time management and also at organizing themselves and their belongings. So although at first it sounds like it's ridiculous that children can benefit from parents divorcing, if you look at it this way and you see that you can remove the animosity, the stress, the conflict that children live in when parents are looking into getting a divorce, you see that it becomes a much more positive thing for children in the long run. I hope that this video has been helpful to some degree. If you have questions about this topic or any other family law topic, please don't hesitate. Go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. And as always, I want to thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.